Today in the Optix Autolabs garage, we'll be installing our sequential side mirror lights on a MK7 Volkswagen GTI. These lights will fit on any MK7 Volkswagen Golf, GTI, or Golf R. For this install, you'll need a T10 Torx wrench or socket, pliers, and a pry tool set. If you don't have a pry tool set available, a flathead screwdriver will suffice. We'll also recommend using a microfiber towel to protect the mirror glass from damage while performing the installation. Remove the mirror glass from the mirror housing by gently pulling from the outside of the glass. Be careful not to pull out any wires in the process. Wrap the mirror glass with a microfiber towel or any other type of protective material to prevent damage to the glass or your car. Using the T10 Torx wrench, loosen the two Torx screws on the lower half of the mirror housing. Using a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver, push down on the tabs of the side view mirror cap gently and pull apart the cap from the mirror housing. Use your pliers to squeeze on the rear tab to completely take apart the mirror housing. You can now access the two T10 screws holding the OEM mirror light in place. Remove the light from the mirror housing and carefully remove the wiring harness connected to the OEM light. Connect the wiring harness to our sequential side mirror light and use the two T10 screws to put it in place in the mirror housing. Turn on your hazard lights to test if the new side mirror lights are functioning properly before putting everything back together again. Snap the mirror housing together, making sure that the bottom of the housing is flush and the top clip is completely back in its hole. Get the two T10 screws you set aside and screw them back in place on the lower half of the mirror housing. Slide the side view mirror cap back into place, making sure all sides are lined up. You'll hear a click from the left and the right side when fully back in place. Snap the mirror glass back into place, taking care not to use too much force as this may damage the glass. Check all the functions of the side mirror to ensure everything was installed correctly. Now, your VW GTI is ready to hit the road and turn some heads with your new Optix Autolabs sequential side mirror lights.